Hey everyone, Marshall here. Results. So many prospective clients ask about case studies and results. We made this video for you. Firstly, I'll start off by saying that we can't guarantee results. There's a perception that running ads is like flicking on a switch. You just turn on the ad and money starts flowing in. While it can be like that, it's more of an exploratory process. Yes, we've seen clients get 3x, 6x, and even a 10x return on their money, and I'll show you those results in this video. However, know that results will always be unique to your campaign, and we'll work diligently for excellent results. We typically shoot for a minimum 3x return for our clients. This also may vary based on your company, as we understand that a 3x return for some may not be advantageous. Okay, here are some ads we've done for Fiverr clients recently. A still ad, carousel ad for featuring multiple products, and a video ad which often has a better click-through rate. This particular video ad is currently acquiring new customers for as low as $4 per conversion for a product with recurring monthly revenue of $22 per month. Now let's look at some stats our team has produced in the past. A lot of our clients are in the medical field, so we have to be careful with their information. However, we can tell you that for most of them, we've been able to increase their patient base by at least 150%. For most of these clients, this massive growth took place fairly early on in their practice. However, even for our more mature clients, we're still able to get them great returns. For example, with this client, we've been able to deliver a 4.45x return. It's important to note that all of these clients were able to see these returns after testing and honing in on their audience and messaging. This can take time. Some clients, however, do see very quick returns. For this one, we were able to set up their ad and start generating sales after only 3 days with a 2.8x return on their ad spend. In examples like this, we're able to scale much more quickly. Last example, let's look at the final result that we're getting for a photography business. With this client, it took us 1 month of testing on both Facebook and Google to optimize the account. In this case, we found Google Ads much more effective and were able to start attaining clients for $20 per client with an average purchase price of $3,200. This was a wonderfully successful campaign. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. Feel free to let me know if you have any further questions, and I hope to work together.